Hi friends, welcome to another video. I'm just going to share with you guys what I got from Target and Ross. Mike has been having to use my car for a while now, so it was just so nice to be able to get out of the house and just run a couple errands, but really just get out of the house and by myself. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've been able to do that. So I took advantage of it, went out to Target, and then I went to Ross, and then now I'm home and I'm going to show you what I got. Alright guys, this is what I got from Target. These were on clearance because it is their fall scents of Febreze. It was only $1.48 each and they smell so good. And I think this is great all year round, so I grabbed 2 of them. There was a few more, but I was like, oh, 2 is enough. So I got these combined for about just under $3, so $1.48 each. And then I got a big jug of Fabuloso. And then I got some Fabuloso, a big old jug of it. I like to use it with my carpet shampooer sometimes. It just makes my carpet smell super fresh and it does a good job cleaning. And I also like to use it sometimes when I am mopping like the bathroom or kitchen floor. It just smells really good. The smell lasts a long time and it works really good. So, and it's super cheap. It's only like $4.99. So that was really good. And then this is a new spring scent. It's coming out, you guys. Oh my gosh. From Mrs. Meyer's. This is Rose. I have not seen this before. And it smells, Riley is sniffing things constantly now. No, buddy. No. Yeah, it smells really good. Okay. So, anywho. This smells so good, you guys. It literally smells like roses. It is so pretty. So, $3.99 for this. I'm so excited to use this. Yeah, they smell so good. You smell that one? That one's all natural, so it won't be behind. Alright. And then I got this because sometimes, you know, some of our laundry just needs a little extra freshening scent.
Got it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he loves these things. So.
Mine?
Yeah, no, this one's not yours, so this one's Mommy's. Alright, so, anywho.
I go.
It says yours is in the laundry room. Wanna go see?
Yeah, back.
Okay. Go look. Go look.
Go.
There you go.
Help me.
Sorry, you guys. It's just recording with a toddler. All right, so this was on clearance. Our laundry sometimes just needs a little extra freshening up for scent-wise. But I got this like a medium-sized Downy Unstoppables and Tide scent. It was on clearance for $4.88. Normally $6.99. Yeah, $6.99, and I got it on clearance for $4.88. So it smells really good, and we don't use this that often, but it comes in handy when we need to use it. So I'm glad I got that. From the dollar spot or Target, what is some places call it differently, but the Bullseye or something. But I got these socks for Riley, little fuzzy socks. These were $1. These are only $1. See? But yeah, I thought these were super duper cute and fluffy, and I think he'll like those. And then I thought this was really fun to make bath bombs. It has a bath bomb mold for only $3, and it has instructions on how to make them on the back of it. I thought this would be really fun to do. Like Jaden and I can work on this together. It'd be really fun to make like for gifts or just for fun. So for $3 for the mold. And then I grabbed one of these, or I grabbed 2 of these, sorry. I got one for my daughter, Jaden, and one for me. Really cute little heart baskets or tin pencil or makeup brush holders or whatever. You know, they're really cute. These were $1 each, so that was pretty nice. So yes, this is my whole Target haul right here. Alright guys, and this is what I got from Ross. It's not a big haul. I was just kind of not wanting to spend more than 20 bucks, so I did really good. So I got new oven mitts, like the little like a claw kind, or I don't know, but I like this kind. I feel like it's easier to use and work with, and I thought they were pretty. Mine are just getting all yucky now, so this I thought was really pretty, and it was only $3.99, so that was great. And then I got 2 5-packs of kitchen towels. I think I might even use these in the bathroom on like the towel holder for people to like wash their hands with. But of course, it's a beautiful color. A lot of my stuff I like to get in this color. This was, they're both $6.99 each. And I got this one more so for the kitchen and also mostly for just like cleaning with. I thought these were great sizes for cleaning with, and sometimes it's just nice to get new cleaning things or things to help you clean. It just helps you get motivated to clean, I feel like. If we get new cleaning utensils or cleaning stuff, it just makes it more fun to clean. It's kind of silly, I know, but that's how I look at it. But yeah, I spent less than 20 bucks, so after tax, that was great. So yep, this is my Ross haul, you guys. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. Stay tuned for more to come. I just wanted to share with you guys really quick what I got from Ross and Target, because mama gotta go out and get out of the house. Some freedom. We do need that sometimes. Believe it or not, we do. And I needed to get some new cleaning stuff, and I'm really excited to use the Febreze. It smells so good. Are you guys? Oh, and very excited to use the Rose Scented Mrs. Meyer's. Ooh, I'm so excited to use you. All right. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come. If you have not yet, definitely subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And give me a like. It'd be great. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye now.